Here we have Dr. M. Shivakumar from SCSVM University, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, and he is expert person in networking and MATLAB and various tools. And today, as per the title hands-on experience, we have already sent email regarding the software what you have to install in your laptop or desktop. So accordingly, so once the PPT session presentation given by Dr. M. Shivakumar, so he will give the hands-on experience based on the software what you have installed. Okay, so that will be continue after the end of the PPT. So I request all the participants to keep yourself in mute mode and don't switch on your video also because of the bandwidth problem. So you know already almost it is crossing the number of participants more than 200. So and while the session starts by Dr. M. Shivakumar, so they should not create any disturbance to him. So that we hope the flow will continue as usual and without any disturbance. And once again, I welcome all the participants, and I would like to request our director, Dr. Mohammad Samaruddin Khan, director of Sree Dattha Group of Educational Institutions, to speak some few words about this webinar. Thank you. Sir, please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Senthil Kumar Garu, and congratulations for making this webinar happen. I congratulate you and your team for the third webinar you are conducting in this lockdown period. And last time also the webinar on AI went on very well, and it was having huge participation. So it's very nice to see that the participant number is crossing more than 200, and people are very much interested to learn new things in the lockdown period, and it's very nice that they are utilizing this lockdown period for their improvement and for their upgradation. So what I would like to say for today is that whatever disruptive technologies are invented and are utilized for solving the problems of human beings and bringing some kind of comfort and ease to the lives of human beings has to be adopted by all of you. If you are from the technical background or engineering background, try to see around you what are the problems that are still unsolved and unattended, and how you can solve this with the technologies. So one fine example is that a lot of people die in mines, because of gas leakages and all. So I think IoT and AI can play an important role there to save the lives of various peoples. And another thing is that innovation is the currency, or I can say innovation is the new currency of 21st century. And innovation doesn't happen just by itself. It has to be the human minds which has to work on it to bring innovation. So innovation can occur by association, innovation can occur by questioning of mind, innovation can occur by observation, innovation can occur by networking, innovation can occur by experimentation. So I hope today you are going to learn a new technology and also perform the experimentation also. And I wish that you adopt this attitude and temperament of innovation, invention, and try to use the technology for the betterment of the society. That's what I want to say. So I wish you very all the best, and I hope that all of you will be enlightened today with a new technology, or if you already know the technology, you will get an additional knowledge today, because I see the resource person very experienced and very talented. So thank you all of you for participation in this huge number, and I wish you all the best, and don't stop learning in your life. Thank you, Senthil Kumar Garu, for giving me this opportunity. I wish you all the best for your seminar, webinar, sorry. And I wish that such kind of webinars you keep on organizing to enlighten the human beings and the technical society. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your enthusiastic words to all the participants, sir. Now, I would like to request our resource person, Dr. M. Shivakumar, to start the session. I hand over the session to Dr. M. Shivakumar.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving this opportunity to give the valuable webinar. The title is Hands-on Experience on IoT with Cisco Packet Tracer. Already, all of you were very well aware about that software. The Cisco Packet Tracer tool is a powerful network simulation tool that allows students to experiment with the network behavior. Meantime, the Cisco Packet Tracer also supports some IoT components. In simple terms, the IoT already you know very well. IoT, the simple term is a connection of network with sensors and actuators and smart devices that collect, shares, and data. Here, the packet tracer 7 contains many features to support the IoT. This includes the addition of IoT devices that can be configured to react to certain environmental values such as sun, wind, rain, and humidity. These devices can be configured to take actions based on the changing environmental values such as turning on light or closing doors. And also it provides everything you need to create simulated smart homes and smart cities and smart factories. Now we are going to the agenda of today session, webinar session. It's an introduction to packet tracer. What are the possibilities are there in Cisco packet tracer, and what is meant by IoT world, and overview of some IoT devices and components available in packet tracer, and then like Arduino and Raspberry Pi boards. Here it's called microcontroller unit and a single board computer, SPC and MCU. It's also programmed by program using. There are 3 more options are available here. The one option in one language is Python. Sir, my voice is audible, sir. Sandeep Kumar, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Please carry on.
Okay. In MCU programming using Python and also using programming using JavaScript, and also programming using nowadays the Google Blockly objects, that is called the visual objects, Blockly visual objects. Using the 3, you can program through microcontroller unit and control the IoT devices. And then we are going to see some set condition rule method to implement automation of web camera using motion detector. When you motion detector by the motion detector, the webcam is on. Otherwise, the webcam is stay in off condition. In this manner, we are going to see. Then design and implementation of IoT based smart home work. Smart home network. The smart home network contains for some home media monitoring, some resource management, and also some energy management, some webcam automation, some lot of lighting system, automatic lighting systems, automatic door close opening, and then some lawn sprinkler by using if fire happens, some sprinkler used to sprinkle the water and all things. There are some applications are there. Then the nowadays current topic, there is artificial intelligence, AI enabled IoT. It is possible now. AI enabled IoT based healthcare monitoring system. Nowadays we are lagging in the field healthcare monitoring system with from home itself we can monitor the patient conditions also. It is only possible with the AI enabled IoT. And also we are going to see about artificial intelligence enabled IoT based environmental monitoring and control. We can monitor and control the environmental condition through the IoT sensors. We can able to find all things. We can able to find. So we're giving annotations. Next is the introduction to packet tracer software. The Cisco packet tracer software is used to. The Cisco packet tracer software is a simulation modeling tool, not only with networking, and also used for cyber security and also some artificial intelligence based IoT sensors. It allows you to model complex systems without the need of dedicated equipments. No need of any dedicated equipment. We can simulate the model complex systems. Then this is a free software for particularly for CCNA CCNA registered students. To help to practice your network configuration and troubleshooting via your desktop, or it is also available in Android and iOS based mobile device. The packet tracer is available for both platforms, that is Windows and Linux based platforms. The packet tracer provides an easy way to design, build networks and vary the sizes without spending any expensive lab equipment. You can see the real-time lab equipments in Cisco packet tracer network simulator. Next, this is a general view of if you open the packet tracer software, by default you will be present with these following interfaces. There are 10 some blocks are there. The first block is called a menu bar. This menu bar, this one. And second one, this bar provides this file edit option and view tools are there. Then second option is main toolbar. This bar provides the shortcut icons of to the file and edit menus commands. This bar also provides this copy and paste buttons. Then the third one is a common toolbar. This bar provides access to their commonly used workspace tools, that is select, move, and layout, place, resize, etc. Then there is a fourth one is the logical and the physical workspace navigation bar. You can toggle between the physical workspace and the logic workspace within the tabs on this bar. Okay, here this is a workspace. This is a logical workspace. You are seeing the white screen is called a logical workspace. This bars allow you to go back to previous level into the cluster. You can create a new cluster, a new logic diagram, and also you make the background and viewport. Okay, then this is a physical workspace. In this physical workspace, this bars allow you to navigate through physical locations. You can create a new city, you can create a new buildings and apply a grid to the background. Then from the fifth one is a workspace. This workspace, this area is where you will create your network and watch simulations and view many kind of information and statistics here in this workspace. Then this is a real-time. Sixth one is a real-time and simulation bar. You can toggle between these two, real-time mode and the simulation mode, with the tabs on this bar. This bar also provides buttons to power cycle devices and fast forward time, as well as you can play the control buttons and the event list you can see. Also, it contains one clock that displays the relevant time in real mode and simulation mode. The seventh one is a network component box. This box is where you choose devices and connections to put into the workspace. It contains the device type selection box and the device specification selection box is there. There is a one searchable field is there. There is a field that allows you to enter a device name to look for the specific device quickly. Okay, name the device shows the here. Once you click on that, name the device is it shows the when you mouse over the device icon in the device specification box, you can see the device submenu is there. See device specification box. This box contains you can choose specifically which devices you want to put in your network and which connections you to make. Then the 10th one is the user created window. This window manages the packets. There is a message packets you put into the network during simulation scenarios. Okay. The next one, the new IoT devices. These are all the new IoT devices. The Internet of Everything is called IoE. All the terms are showing that's IoE. This IoE, the IoE is nothing but Internet of Everything. The IoE contains actuators and sensors. These are the actuators and sensors and smart devices. The items that cause or show a reaction to the stimulus or environment is called IoE. That is IoE consists. There are three more broad areas there. There is one machine to machine. That is M2M. The machine to machine means the connections, the data sent and received from one machine. There is a machine here. Machine is called thing. Data sent and received from one machine to another is called IoT. That is a Internet of Thing. Then second category is mission to person. That is M2P. Previous one is M21. It is the next one is M2P. There is a machine to person. The data center received from a machine to a person is called that is M2P. So another often is called as data and analytics. And that broad category is person to person. That is P2P. Then here data center received from one person to another is called P2P communication. Then it is also called as collaboration. Then next one is IoT actuators. The IoT actuators is nothing but the items that causes or shows a reaction is called actuators. Then next two categories, these are the sensors, IoT sensors. The items sense a reaction to stimulus or the environment. Is it items that sense a reaction. Previous one is a cause a reaction. The actuators. Here the sensor is a sense a reaction to the environment. Then smart devices. These are the smart devices called as both can be connected to the sensors or actuators. Next, what is a web 2.0? This is a web 2.0 is a video. The internet is now widely used for the plenty of service called video streaming and file sharing, online shopping. There's etc. It's called as web 2.0. And next, what is meant by web 3.0? That is a thing now. It's a recent trend, but the internet continues its evolution and will be enable objects to connect to each other and get some more information to get the action to share a huge number of informations. This world of the new world is connected devices to this called web 3.0. There are some main applications in IoT domains. As, nowadays we are seeing smart city. Smart city means during the smart city creation we can monitor structural and environmental conditional monitoring and vehicle traffic monitoring and smart street light systems. These are all coming under smart city applications. And the next one is a smart home. In the smart home itself we can monitor our home through video and remote automation, where we can remotely operate your the room temperature and switch off home appliances, etc. And then vehicle and automotive applications. That is a sensor for environmental detection and monitoring. So there are too many protocols are there. It's called V2V protocol and V2V and V2I protocols are there. The next topic is healthcare. There's an application, the IoT application in healthcare and telemedicine and wearable applications are there. In this application, we are going to use the artificial intelligence. Here, artificial intelligence based healthcare system, artificial intelligence based environmental detection. Also, we are going to see this. V2 is nothing but vehicular communication, and V2I is nothing but vehicular to infrastructure communications is called. So on. Here there are apart from network devices, and all are very aware about the network devices called. To construct one network, you need some end devices called desktop PC or laptop, and you can control using server and switch and router. All the things are by the use of by constructing one network. That is it may be local area network, it may be wireless network. You can use by using this router switch and some end devices. You can we can construct the devices. But if you go for IoT based applications, there are two more options are available here. That is MCU is nothing but microcontroller unit, and this is like Arduino. Nowadays we are using Arduino. That is a single microcontroller board is there. The same thing here available in packet tracer. That is called a MCU board. That is microcontroller unit board, and another board is called a single board computer SPC. It's nowadays it's called as Raspberry Pi. In place of Raspberry Pi, we can use this SPC board. That is single board control board. Yeah, this is a symbol of MCU board. Here, if you click on that SPC board, MCU board, you can able to see the 5 tabs are there. Here, specification. This is a specification about the MCU. This is specification about the physical view of your MCU board. Then configuration button, then configuration tab, then programming tab. Here there are 3 more options are there already discussed. There are by using Python, by using JavaScript, by using some visual objects called blockly objectives. You can program through this MCU. Then attributes. This window is called as physical view of MCU board. We get these are the modules available for if you connect for Ethernet, that is wide connections. These three ports are available. These three modules are available. We are this one PT IoT NM11W module is used for, especially used for wireless application. You can connect the wireless networks, connect to the wireless networks through home gateway. This is the physical view of the MCU board. Then the SPC board, that is a single board computer, it also supports the three type of languages. This is a programming view. Here, if you click on SPC, here also there are five parts are there. In that parts, here we can in programming mode, in programming tab, you can type the program. You can type the program. This is called your Python program. This is you can control the input, the GPIO pins and all things here. Here the commands we are using a digital write and digital read. This is using a single board computer. We can use the programming language Python. Then there is an important one. If you constructing one network, the two devices are important. One is switch, another one is router. Here, if you go for IoT, the home gateway is the important one. Where it is available in packet tracer. Here, click the wireless devices. Here, there are 10 more blocks we discussed. Here, in the device selection box in left corner, where you are seeing the wireless devices. You can just click on the home gateway, drag and drop, you put it into the workspace. Here home gateway, what is the use of this home gateway? It's act as a local connection to your IoT smart devices. If you connect some IoT devices, for example, if you connect a smart fan, if you connect smart light, if you connect any other IoT smart sensors, you can to provide internet access and to get the wireless connectivity and local logic for the smart devices. These are the application of home gateway. This device provides an IoT registration service. For every device, we have to register the device through this home gateway or your server. For server, if you go for wired network, you use the server. If you go for wireless network, you go to home gateway. This device, the home gateway device, also we can register the IoT device. What are the devices present in the network? You have to register in either home gateway or either registration server. Okay, this is local Ethernet based means you can use the registration server. Here also possible from home gateway you can connect wire, not only with wireless. Also we can by using registration server, we can use both wireless and wired connectivity. Once you connected the home gateway, the user can control and monitor from their smartphones and tablets and PC. For example, if you imagine that one gateway, that's a home gateway, this one home gateway, and one sensor. For example, one motion detector is connected with this home gateway, and also one smartphone or tablet or one PC is connected with home gateway. Just once you register the sensor to this home gateway, you can monitor and control the device from your smartphone or tablet. If you click on the tablet, there is one option is there called IoT monitor and web browser. Also some more divisions are there. Using the division, you can monitor and control the devices, sensors. Okay, this is a home gateway. If you click on home gateway, there are 4 tabs available. First one, physical tab, is called where it may you can view it is wired or wireless. You can, if it is wired, if you want wired, if you want to construct wired network means you can choose Ethernet port. If you want to construct wireless means you choose a wireless module. You can see. Then it is a configuration block. In this configuration box, you can have 3 more blocks are there. You have to select the internet address, that is IP address. You have to select. Then if you are constructing on LAN means, if you click on LAN, you will give the LAN settings. If you want to construct your network through wireless means, if you click on wireless, these are all the SSID. This is important one is, what is the SSID? It should be same with your connected devices. This SSID with same with your sensor connected devices. This name should be common for all the connected IoT devices. Here authentication you can give by using authentication. You give the password, you give the all things. Next one is a registration server. Here it is available from the server end devices section. This is your server. Then you can drag and drop to put into your workspace for your depending upon your applications. This is IoT registration server. Here also this is a physical view. That is your normal physical view of your registration server. Here these are the models. These first 4 models are Ethernet model, and then the last 4 is called your wireless model. It also supports with the 3G, 4G data communication packs also there. These are physical view, Then this is IoT server. Every server and every home gateway, you have to register the sensor devices, connected devices. If, how you can enable the registration server? Click on the server and workspace to the configuration window. This is your configuration window. In this configuration window, okay, click IoT device. This is the first settings are there. Settings and all things are there. If your settings, go to DHCP and static. You can set as your default gateway or IP address. You can give static mana means you enter the manual IP address. Otherwise, go for a dynamics host configuration protocol. You select DHCP. Next one, click on IoT service. Here there are go to services. How to enable this server as registration server service on the server. So there are 6 options are there. 6 tabs are there. When you click on server, physical. These are physical. You can see the physical view. Then configuration window. You can configuration the settings. Settings are there. Then third one is services. If you go for services, there are a lot of options are available here. HTTP, DHCP, and services are there. Now I want to choose with IoT registration there. Now this services view. Services you shows your IoT view. Select IoT. You select the registration server on and off. You select on button to enable the registration server service to your server. You click on here. Okay. Next one, there's IoT registration server, also called one more tab is called a desktop. In this desktop, you can see a lot of options are available. There is one option is there called IoT monitor option. Here IoT monitor, if you select an IoT monitor, you have to set the IoT server address. You can set the server address. You can automatically you can log in. You can see the connected devices, and you can control via programming the program connected via programming through your MCU board. Next to the overview of actuators and sensors. These are all the examples for actuators. There are if you click on if you click over the module, you can see that if you click motor means this motor module is visible here. It's a sensor module. These are sensors. If you click on first, you click this board, click this icon. This is called nothing but your SBC board and all things, SBC and MCU board. Here, if you click on that, you can three subcategory menus are there. If you click here means you can get the actuators here. Okay. Then next you click this knob. This is a potentiometer knob. If you click means we can get the sensor menu. Sensor menus are there. These are the available sensor. Once you place on the mouse over this device, it shows the what is the type of the sensor. That is a generic environmental sensor. When you click on that, you can able to find the what is the name of the sensor. Similarly, by using JavaScript program, here the Java by using for example some IoT based security system using one motion detector with alarm notification by using the JavaScript program. This is a JavaScript program is there. The first part is it is for set up the input pins, and the second part is called where loop continuously read the data from pins, that is our microcontroller pins. Here MCU is nothing but microcontroller unit like Arduino. Here the third condition is you get the data and analyze get the data from the microcontroller and analyze the data to display or to view the output. Here this is the pin mode 0 and pin mode input, and 0 to 1023 means if it is high, it shows the motion detector is on. If it is low means motion detector is off. Next, this is the general packet tracer window. Window contains this is nothing but your PIR sensor or motion detector sensor. This is your MCU, that is microcontroller unit. This is your alarm. Okay, when you click on MCU, there are some options are available here. Go to that programming option. You can type JavaScript program. That is your previous one. If you click on that new, here you can give the name. You can give the name for example, MCU based alarm system means you can type the file name .js means there are three options are available. That one is Python, another one is JavaScript, another one is Visual Object. Okay, here we have to you have to implement the application through JavaScript program. This extension is JavaScript. Here you have to type this program here. Then after programming, here one menu is there, run and stop menu. In this run and stop menu, the run and stop menu, when you move my mouse over the yes, when you move the mouse over this motion detector, the alarm is on. If you move if you move my mouse to this motion detector means this name is displayed, the number is displayed 1023 is displayed here, means the sensor is on, so alarm is on. Okay, next one by using previous one JavaScript.
A doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes,
can I ask doubt?
Sir, I just selected the component, but in my Cisco packet tracer, they did not show for any sensor. What can I do, sir?
What question you are using?
Sir, in Cisco packet tracer, I just selected the component.
No. What version you are using?
I'm using version.
Especially 7.3 only having that IoT components and all things.
Yes, sir. I'm using latest version only then, sir.
Sir, okay. But at last we are discuss about this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Yuvraj, you please have your doubts. At the end of the session, you can raise all your doubts. I request all the participants have your doubts, and you can get clarification at the end of the session. Around 11:30, 11:45, you can ask your doubts. Right, sir? Carry on, sir.
Okay. The next one is previous one using JavaScript language. Now we are using a smart lighting system, automatic smart light system through the combination of light and motion sensor here. The one from previous one is light sensor and motion sensor is there. Is a one more special type of sensor, IoT sensor available in packet tracer, available in this market also. Then this is a combination of light and motion sensor is using Python language. Is also same thing. Here these are the header files and what is the input, defining your inputs and get the data from microcontroller, get the data from the device and all things. This is a Python program. For example, here this is called your microcontroller unit board. This is your home gateway. Here home gateway. This is your car where your motion is detected automatics. This is a smart lighting system. When you move the car here means it automatically the lamp will glow. Otherwise, then move to a car to next street lamp means here this street lamp will off. Then when you move to second street lamp, the motion detector detects and the light will glow. In this manner, if you move on to the third one means your lamp get lights on here, but other lamps are off here. When you move to next street lamp, it automatically on. Based on that, this called your smart light system. This is a home gateway. All the home gate through the home gateway, you can register all the four street lamps through your registration server. Through a registration server, here also your home gate. Here also you have to select SSID and IP address and all things. Here you can also configure with wired this one. In this example, we are configured with wireless networking. Without there is no connection between your street lamp versus your home gateway. Then the microcontroller unit, by using this Python program, you can control this street lamps. That's why it's called a smart lightning system. It's also saving energy and power. Here, previous one you see, when you move on the card, the first system, here M is on. M is on means here M is nothing but your motion sensor. L is nothing but your light sensor. When you motion sensor detected means light will glow. Okay, here motion sensor detected, so lamp is on. Similarly for the next one, if you see, previous one M is on, here M is off, here motion sensor is off, so light is not ignited here. Here the third one, if you close with third one, M is gets green color, the light automatically will turn on. Okay, next the third one is used by using visual objects. What is we mean by there is a visual objects or blockly objectives? Why you this what is meant by block means block is a visual programmation editor which uses graphical blocks to represent code concept like variables and logic expressions and loop and more. Also, it helps students to better understanding and apply programming principles without having to worry about the specific syntax of the specific programming language. If you use for JavaScript, what is the syntax? If you use for Python, there are some syntax is available there. Here, no need to worry about this syntax of a specific programming language. Your code can be expressed to popular programming language such as Python and JavaScript also. Here, when you click on MCU board, there are a lot of tabs are available here. Here, if you click on this fourth one, this is a programming tab. In this programming tab, you can also view some more points. If you see here my what is the extension main.visual. In this visual options, we can be able to find out there are some more models are there. For example, if I got this pin mode and print slot is available in this pin access. In this pin access menu, under delay and do repeat and do blocks is available in loop block and analog write. These are all the available from pin access. By using this, you can drag and drop. You can set the conditions. For example, pin mode slot. Here I am using some LED, smart LED is there. In this LED, I can use the slot 0. Is the slot 0 is output. I want to display when it is enabled. It shows the name blinking. Okay, repeat. This is a while true. Repeat while this is up to this slot 0. Will output is true. Then do analog write means slot 0. If it is 0 means value it attains 1023 value means some 1000 millisecond delay. You can set the values. You can display analog read and write options is there by using this visual blocks. You can drag and drop the objects. You can specify the conditions. Okay, this is the example for blinking system. This one, the blinking LED using your blockly objectives. Yes, this was smart LED, the MCU program. If we click on that, you can set the conditions or by using these block objectives. You can see this one. These are smart LED based. This one. Okay, when it is enabled, here see the message blinking and blinking this one. Here one option is there called run and stop. You know, once you open the program, you can run and start. Run means automatically your program will start. MCU program will start and through control your IoT devices. Okay, then the next one is application. One small application automation of automate a web camera using motion detector. Here also you need a home gateway and also one smartphone to monitor and control the devices. The home gateway is already very well. Home gateway is used to provide a wireless connectivity and get the local connection for webcam and motion detector for this application. And the webcam here, what is my objective is whenever movement is detected by the motion detector, webcam will on. Otherwise, the webcam will be in off position. There, by here, one more method is called set condition method. Here we have to set the conditions. Motion detector is on, is true, and webcam is on, is true. And second rule you can implement by using this. One option is available here, one provision is available here to this method. Okay, this is a automation of webcam by using home gateway and that's a smartphone. This home gateway is registered through this home gateway. You can register webcam and motion detector. Here I am using wireless connectivity between this one. If you click on every device, every IoT device having wireless option and also wireless model and wired models are also available. Here we have to choose wireless model for webcam. Here also we have to choose wireless model for motion detector. Also wired model also available here. When you connect through Ethernet cable or other fiber cable, you can use use the particular models. So we can here smartphone used to monitor your monitor and control your motion detector and webcam. When motion is detected by the motion detector, the webcam is automatically on by using this smartphone. Okay, here if you click on smartphone, this window will come. In this window, there are 5 tabs are there, sub tabs are there. Here, physical means you can see the physical view of your smartphone. And if you click configuration, you can set the configuration. Configuration window also you have to select the SSID. You can select the passphrase and you can select the authentication options are there. Here there are desktop. If you click desktop, there are so many options are there. In this so many options, you click on IoT monitor. This IoT monitor block is available here. The one IoT, if you click on IoT monitor, here there are 4 tabs or sub tabs are there. Homes, conditions, and editor and logout buttons are there. If you click on conditions, here I have to set the condition. When you are this is a rule 1. When your webcam when your motion detector is on, my webcam will be turned on. Okay, then this is a second rule. My motion detector is not detecting any movement or faults. The webcam is false. This is your button. This is called your condition set rules. Here also available here. You can set the condition not only with Python programming or JavaScript or visual objects. You can use some conditions to control the sensor devices. You can you can control the IoT sensor device, IoT devices through these condition methods. When it is you can decide when it is on, when it is off by using this set condition rule method. Okay, this then once you set the rules, then again you go to home. What are the devices are connected with this home gateway. Through smartphone we can see this menu. Here webcam, here this means webcam on. Once you motion detector, webcam is turned on. This red mark is called turn on. Once you this is called previous one, you see previous one, so both lights are switch off. This is in off condition now. After the conditions, I move the mouse over the motion detector. The motion is detected so that the webcam is turned on by using the set condition rule methods. You can give the conditions. Also, whenever whenever the movement detection by motion detector, webcam will turn on. This is called your green color shows your turn on. Okay, then simulation of some IoT based smart network. Here are some IoT based smart networks. What are the basic elements of the Internet of Things is sensors, smart sensors, and central control hardware and data cloud, where the data stored in the data cloud, and user interface. What are the user interface and network interconnections and system security, and also some data analytics you can find. Then smart home connected. These are the devices. Smart home means here the typical smart home architecture. You can divide the communication network into multiple components. The home network with the distributed sensor through the home. Here IoT gateways, a gateway which collects the information from the sensors. here cloud, the cloud hosted platform that receives the information from the gateway to store and analysis, and the mobile devices of the home occupants who can connect the gateway, who can connect the gateway or cloud server to receive the information and notification about the home while away. Okay. Okay, here also in home network you can use the wired IoT device and add the wireless IoT devices through by using this logical workspace. You can able to construct the networks. When you place on the cursor over the device, for example smartphone, and the information window opens, there's some basic information about the device. What is the basic information means? You click on that one, you can see the four tabs are there. First is physical, next one is the configuration, third one is desktop, fourth one is programming. In this manner you can able to see when you click on this, click on the device. You can also control all the device, all the connected device can control your home gateway and monitor the device by using the smartphone. This is one small example for smart network. This smart network, all the networks are connected with home gateway. In home gateway you can monitor the device by using this tablet. You can by using the tablets. All the programming is done by your microcontroller unit. Also your data may be sent to your cloud platform. This you can analyze the data. The different types of sensor receives the data, and the home gate receives and sent to this cloud platform. We can able to analyze the data remotely. For example, here if you smoke detector in your home, smoke detector will turn on. It gives some siren or some sound, some alarm system. You can able. It's a smart door system here. When you come in front of door, the in front of car coming to in front of door, automatically your door will open, and automatically by using this smart zonal panel, we can also save the energy to the smart battery for a lighting system, and smart fan also there. This is some simple example for IoT based smart network. You can able to see now. Okay, this is one the smart network is also connected with CMWay. The previous one, if you click on this home button, you can able to find this. This is your home. Here you can control through your cloud based platform. You can control that. These are all the devices are connected here. In this, there are different types of my IoT sensor devices are there. For example, here when you fire is we experience from the sensor, automatically the lawn sprinkler will sprinkle the water, and this is for wind detector. This is for smart home. This is when you movement is detector, automatically the fan will switch on. This is called there are some lot of applications are there. If you click on smoke detector, if you smoke detector sense the smoke, it automatically you will show some other applications. This is the third one is the global architecture. This architecture allows an incremental deployment. This one incremental deployment of new technologies and protocols for the network enabled within the home. This is within the home, as it is separated by this gateway. This is a registration server and DNS server. This using this smartphone is this smartphone available in your home. Using that, you can globally you can see the activities. The gateway here, the gateway act as a translator. This is your gateway act as a translator between your new protocol. Say nowadays the CCN is the content centric networking. This is the latest technology. That is a content centric networking. Okay, this is on the various services are there which can be part of the smart home use case. We can identify the system for home appliances. Is nothing but your coffee maker and all things, and fridge, coffee maker, and also video monitoring is there by using the camera, and as temperature monitoring, remote automation, and remote metering also there. This is a remote metering. This is where the gas or electricity meter can be read or can be upgraded in case of software update for specific actions. The list is not only is limited, and also we can provide the good overview of what smart home can be. It shows that in next years many home appliances can be connected and automated, and IoT protocols in this case will be used to connect them to the internet. Next one is artificial intelligence and IoT in healthcare system. There are in AI enabled IoT. There are more number of applications are there. Here, what is here? How it is come artificial intelligence here? What is one question will come? Does IoT use AI? But then, what is the role of artificial intelligence in IoT? There, artificial intelligence deals with the creation of systems that can learn to emulate human tasks using their prior experience and without any manual interventions. Whereas Internet of Things is a network of various devices that are connected over the internet, and they can collect and exchange the data with each other. Then why is artificial intelligence required for IoT? This one question will come. According to Business Insider, there will be more than 64 billion IoT devices by 2025. That is 2025. All these IoT devices generate a lot of data that needs to be collected and data mining and mined for actionable results. This is where AI comes into the pictures now. IoT is used to collect and handle the huge amount of data that is required by the AI algorithms. So that when it is combining that AI and IoT in healthcare, chances together they will improve operational efficiency of this field. What are the fields are there? Tracking the patient and tracking the condition, or collecting the information and monitoring the patient, especially for this healthcare monitoring IoT AI-enabled IoT based healthcare monitoring system. We can track the patients and collecting the data. We are monitoring the patient and analyzing the patient conditions also there. Here, control and optimizations are there. Here, training. Here, you get the knowledge from previous one. You can control and optimize based there. Then give the automation. You can give the modeling, that is AI algorithm best modeling and predicting the diseases and how to cure and all things. Okay, what is the application of this AI in IoT? There are more platforms are there. For example, collaborative robots. There's nowadays called co-robots. There's this one collaborative robots, cobots there. Then drones, unmanned drones are there for agriculture purpose, and also some other drones are used for this one AI-enabled IoT system. There's smart cities and then smart retailing also there. You can understand the customers need and all. You can give that by using AI algorithms. You can do the smart retailing also there. In real world also some examples are there. For example, Tesla Motors are introducing some self-driving cars are there. Then wild track. There's a wild track. You can preserve the endangered species in there. You can endangered species preservation also done by using this AI-enabled sensors are there. Then Nest Labs also giving some smart thermostats and some other medical supplies and all things are there. Enforcement there. Curfews using these drones also there. And now these are the key steps that provides for the smart and efficient applications of AI algorithms in IoT devices. Okay, then the benefits of already discussed. The benefit of AI-enabled IoT are the following. What are the medical staff and patients and inventory trackings? Then we can find the disease management and drug management, emergency room and waiting room reductions, and you can control the patient health remotely. Here one example for IoT based healthcare monitoring systems. In this healthcare monitoring system, we can see the, for example, this is our Karthik home, so the patient home. Here it is connected with some cloud-based platform. Here this MPTC is nothing but a patient treatment center. Here the data are stored in cloud data services, and this is a HMC, that is your health monitoring center. Here there are IoT enabled functions can be enhanced by AI algorithms. These are the functions enhanced by your artificial intelligence algorithms. Here also the data analysis performed at the edge instead of a centralized location. That is your cloud server. This cloud server enables a near real time analysis right on the IoT devices. There are also there's a AI algorithm process the data from IoT smart sensors on the edge suggesting the advancement of maintenance and monitoring. Here, when you click on this home, there's a patient home. This is nothing but Kathi's home. You can see the home gateway. In home, you can use smart TV and smartwatch and the smartphone and tablet. You can see the devices through this tablet and through these smart devices also. For example, if I assume the patient name Karthik wearing smartwatch, so in the smartwatch indicates the Karthik's health conditions. For example, implant glucose meter. We see the glucose values and all things, and respiration and exercise levels also there. You can able to see this one. Again, this is nothing but your mobile patient treatment center. This one, these are remote one. Here also, by using this cloud platform, here the mobile team can view the status of the patient and all things. Here there are two tablets are used to monitor the patient conditions from hospital or anywhere. Here this is a health monitoring company. Previous one, this is your HMC is nothing. This is a health monitoring center. If you click on health monitoring center, here this block will come here. Here there are the monitoring stations are available through. It is connected via some home gateway. That is a HMC gateway. Also some servers are involved there. Here cloud data services. Here this is one cloud data services. This is a cloud data services. When you click on this one, this is available. Cloud data services. By using this cloud data services, you can analyze the data, for the patients. Then next one is a simulation of AI enabled environmental systems. Here the combination of AI enabled IoT sensors in environmental monitoring systems. Here data analysis performed by the centralized sections there. Here AI algorithms process data from various IoT smart sensors and it suggests advancement of maintenance and monitoring. Here there are one option is there called environment option is there. Once you go for environmental options, there are a lot of environmental objects you can be able to see. For example, I choose physical gases. What are the gases present in our environment? What are the temperature? What is the temperature? What is the cloud condition, humidity, and all things. I want to check with this temperature. That is your ambient temperatures. Here also some intensity. Here some locations also available here. Intensity and edit options are there. Through that you can able to find the ambient temperatures changes in degree Celsius through the simulated 24 hours. Here you can see 24 hours day per period. Click on the ambient temperature here. Click on the ambient temperature. You can able to see the chart temperature chart. Temperature chart. And then if you click on this edit button, the environmental keyframe graph also here. There are some analysis graph will be available. There is a current one keyframe value, that transparency rate, then things rate also there. Go to that keyframe value. You can see the graph for particular tab. This one here, this shows the degrees of Celsius start with 0 at midnight, and 24 degree degree at the midday. Here also you can observe the changes in the environment here, and this value keyframe graph. Here this is where intensity graph. This observe the changes in environment. If you click on this view button, you can change the, you can see the ambient temperature charts when it's increase or decreases, and get the whole day temperature results also there. Now we're Sindhi sir, now we're going to practical session, sir.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Shall we continue the session?
If we continue means we will continue, sir. Otherwise, if we participants want break means you can give the break. Otherwise,
no, let us continue. Shukumar sir, let us continue.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, so far, whatever we discussed, we are going to implement by using the Cisco Packet Tracer, right?
Yes.
Right, sir. Right.
Okay, first application we're going to see. Okay, this is your once you open the Cisco Packet Tracer software, you can see this type of window. Here also available here. There are more menus are there. Menu bars are there. This is your menu bar. This is your common toolbar and all things. This is your workspace. This is your workspace. Here, if you click on that, the network devices are available. Here, network devices means here routers, switches, hub, and wireless devices, and security devices, and WAN emulation. When you click for end devices, you can say you can get the PC, laptop, server, and smartphone, and wireless tablet, and all the things are there. Just you can click and drag and drop to this logical workspace. You can construct the network or IoT based applications. Okay, this is your component block. In this component block, there are three more things are available. That is MCU board is nothing but microcontroller unit. This is SBC board is nothing but single board computer like Raspberry Pi. The next one is the thing. This is a machine thing. Or this one. If you click here means there are a lot of connections are available. If you click this connection means automatically choose the connection type. If you automatically it connects through the constructed networks. This is called the console wire. This is called our copper straight through. Whenever you connect through the Ethernet cable, use this cable, copper straight through cable. Here, copper crossover cable. This is a fiber cable. This fiber cable and serial DC and serial DTE cable used to connect two different routers. Here also coaxial cable is there. Here octal cable. Here IoT custom table. By using this IoT custom table, you can be able to connect the IoT devices and components by using this IoT custom cable. Here also this connect to USB cable. Here these are the miscellaneous options are there, multi-user options. If you click here component blocks, here boards are available here. If you click on that, you can see the three more boards are available here. One, if you click that, actuators blocks, what are the actuators are present in IoT Cisco Packet Tracer components. This is for air cooler, this is for alarm, this is for a ceiling sprinkler, this is for dimmable LED, this is for power sprinkler. These are the most thing, motor, and this is LED and RGB LED and servo motor and smart LED and speaker also there. Once you click on the sensor block, you can available a lot of sensor operations sensors are there available here. It's a flex sensor. This is your generic environmental sensor. This is sensor, generic sensor, humidity sensor, image sensor. It's also used to for find the humidity and temperature. The combination of humidity and temperature sensor, image sensor is there, and membrane potentiometer and metal sensor, motion sensor, and the photo sensor and potentiometer, and push button toggle switch and the push button and the toggle. There are a lot of options are there. There's a temperature sensor. Once you click on end devices, click home button. Here this is for end device. If you click my end devices means you can have available the end devices called PC, laptop, server, and all things. Here if you click on home button, there are a lot of options are available in home appliances. For example, AC and appliances, a coffee maker and batteries, Bluetooth speaker and carbon monoxide detector, and the smartphone and all things are the automatic garage open door. There's a lot of options are there. Here this is where motion sensor you need. Then also webcam you need. For first example, we are going to see that the automation of web camera. And then It is available here. Then if you click for a smart city means there are a lot of options are available here. There is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. This one, carbon monoxide detector and ceiling fan, and old car is used to produce, that is a smoke to detect the carbon monoxide. This one, this is a wine detector, and the street lamp also there. And RFID tag and RFID reader also there. Then if you go for industrial applications, there are what are the sensors are fire monitor and the fire sprinkler and humidifier and all the, and a lot of devices are signal generator also available here. Here trip sensors, there are a lot of sensors are available for, especially for industrial management, industrial applications. This is for our power grid applications. Now I choose this one. I click in devices. I want to automate on web camera. I need one warm gateway. It is available in smart city. Wireless devices. You can choose this warm gateway. Okay. Now I want to connect this IoT webcam and IoT motion detector. Whenever motion detector, webcam will be on. What is the thing is, first you click on home gateway. I already told. When you click on this home gateway, this option is available here. Physical and configuration and GUI and attribute options are there. Here you can see the view, physical view. Here Ethernet ports. My voice is audible, Senthil Kumar sir?
Sir, can you go for slow, sir?
No. Okay. This window is
Shivakumar sir, your voice is audible. Maybe for first experiment you can a little bit slow to explain.
Okay.
Right.
But since these subwindows are now we can.
Yeah, it is visible. We can able to see.
Okay. Now click on home gateway. There are 4 tabs are available here. There is a physical tab and config tab and GUI tab and attributes tab. In physical tab, you can see your home gateway. It is it has Ethernet port, or you can zoom in. You can see here Ethernet port is available here. DLC 100 home gateway. It has Ethernet port. I want to connect this network through wirelessly. So I go to configuration window. Okay, first you select. You give the display name as home gateway. And click wireless. Click wireless here. Here, what is your SSID is home gateway. And here I give some authentication here. You select WPA to PSK value. Here I give the password Cisco IoT. This is your password for connecting wireless sensor devices. Here display name home gateway. My interface is wireless interface. What is the SSID is home gateway, and my authentication password key is Cisco IoT. Now I am going to smartphone. If you click on smartphone, first thing, click on first thing. There are tabs are available. Tabs are there. Go to configuration. You change the display name as smartphone. Okay. Here now you choose this DHCP. here in interface menu, you can set the SSID as home gateway. Home gateway. Also, you give the authentication as click WPA to PSK. You give the address Cisco IOT. This is your address. Here you give the DHCP. Now we close. Now you can see there is connection between your home gateway and a smartphone. Okay. Now I want to connect these two devices, web camera and motion detector. Now click on web camera. Click on web camera. Here also some four tabs are there. It shows the first tab shows specifications. What are the device, IoT device? What is the use? Webcam, a camera device that records and sends the data. The webcam also used to send the data as well as recording. What is the features? It is used with the registration server compatible. Not only with home gateway, you can use with also the IoT server. Okay, video recording is there. Direct control, how to control. If you alt and click to interact, when you when you move the mouse over the webcam, click alt button to interact the webcam. Here connect devices with MCU or microcontroller unit or single control unit or animations. That is a thing. Use the custom right API and API per data specifications are there. If it is state 0 means off, it is state 1 means on. Go to physical menu. Here there are you can see there is your zoom in. It's called a LAN option is available here. Here go to advanced for getting a wireless application. Go to advanced. Here there are some subtabs are there. Here I can choose IO configuration, input and output configurations. Okay. Here network adapter. Here there are a lot of modules are there. Network adapter modules are there. I can the first three is for Ethernet connections. Previous one, for example, here.
Sir, can you please explain slowly, sir?
Yes. When you click on the webcam, directly you can see the webcam is in a local Ethernet port. It has Ethernet port. I want to choose wireless, so that I go to advanced block here. IO configuration. Here I choose this one, the fourth one. It is called your wireless LAN adapter. There is a network adapter is wireless LAN adapter. Okay. Now you can view your IoT, that is your webcam. It has wireless port. It has. By selecting the wireless network adapter, you can set the wireless option. Then now we go to configuration window. Now you in IoT one is you can rename as webcam. Rename as webcam. Now you select DHCP, not is your static. Also you have to connect with this home gateway, so you select home gateway. Now go to wireless. You give the SSID name home gateway. What is the name of the home gateway name should be present here, home gateway. Now I give the authentications. That is one WPK2 PSK. Now Cisco IOT. Okay. Now you can able to see the now IP configuration automatically it choose an automatically it assign the IP address for webcam. Now we can choose a window. We can able to connect between home gateway versus your webcam. You can see. Now there is connection between wireless connection between your webcam and home gateway. Okay. Now I want to connect my motion detector. Click on the motion detector. This one there are some more tabs are available here. Here if you can view here also Ethernet option is there. So I want to move with the wireless network adapter. So I go with advanced tab. I am going with input and output configuration tab. Here I choose network adapter as wireless adapter here. Now you can see the wireless adapter is available now. We can get the wireless adapter now. Again, you go to configuration window. Here you select the display name as motion detector. Rename as motion detector, and also use make it as home gateway. You connect the IoT server as home gateway, and you click here to get the authentication from home gateway wirelessly. Wireless. Here you check with this SSID home gateway, then give the authentication password. What is the password here? Cisco IoT. Okay. Now we can view the IP address is automatically just in the IP address. Now we can able to see the logical workspace. There is continuity between home gateway versus your motion detector. It is coming or not? Let's check. Okay, now it is coming. Now there is wireless connectivity between your home gateway and motion detector is coming. When what is the option is when you click on this motion detector, it is on. Then after 5 or 6 seconds, it will be off. There is no movement off. The same thing for webcam. If it is motion detector, webcam is turn on. The red light indicates is turn on. Now how I automate the webcam through this motion detector? There is some option is available here. In home gateway, I have to give the click on home gateway. Click on home gateway. Here there are my interface options are there. First I select LAN, local area network, for this two devices. So I change the previous one already. One IP address is there. I am changing in place of 192.168.0.1. Then subnet mask is this one as usual. This one. Then I click wireless. I check again. I check with this, there is no connections here. Then the same thing for the same settings for web camera also. When you click on web camera, here also some options are available here. Here you click wireless 0. That is a wireless network interface, wireless interface. Here also we already entered this one. There's a configuration and all things there. Same thing for motion detector also. We given the authentication and SSID and all things. Now click on smartphone. We can control the webcam and motion detector through our smartphone. Click on smartphone. You can get this screen. There are tabs are there: physical configuration, desktop, programming, and attributes tabs are there. I can select a desktop icon. In desktop icon, there are so many options are available here. Here, first option is IP configuration. You can assign the IP address manually. Means if you click on that, You can give the IP address in terminal prompt. You can by using command prompt you can control. By using web browser you can control. Okay, VPN, and there is also a lot of options are available here. One IoT monitor is also available here. Using this tab is a IoT monitor to your gateway. Here you click on IoT monitor. Here there is some options are available here. IoT monitor. Here what is my server at home gateway address? 192.168.0.1. Okay. Now this is our address. This is our previous the default one, username admin, password admin. You can change also. Okay. Otherwise, I keep it. Keep this admin password and admin username, admin password. Click login. Wait. 0.1. Okay. One click on our smartphone. Okay. Here click on desktop. Here go to IoT monitor. Here there is what are the devices present in through home gateway. Here webcam. Here you can see the red means there is two webcams are in off condition. Now you give the conditions. Here there are some tabs are there. Here you give the conditions. If you click on condition, you can set the edit rule. That is your webcam. What is the first rule? Webcam on mode. Is a webcam on mode. Here I choose match all. If it is match all, match any. Then I choose motion detector and webcam. Here motion detector is on, is true. This is then set webcam on. It's true. This is for first rule. Okay. Then next one. Next rule is second one. When motion detector is off or the detection is not, the motion is not detected by motion detector, the webcam is on. These are the rules set by This is the second one. Edit rule name is name of the device is webcam is off. Then enable this one. Then match all. Then you can drop down list. You can choose where webcam. What is the devices connected here? It shows under this drop down list. You can select this condition. Motion detector is on is false. Then webcam is on is to false. These are the second rule. Then after that, when I move over here, then again I come to go home. Now you can see when motion is detected here, the webcam is turned on. You can see the image, the green letters indicates your webcam is on and off. Then after few seconds, there is no movement detected, so that it is off. The webcam is off. Then again I go back here. When it's movement, when the movement is detected, webcam is on. Now you can see the window. Once the movement is detected, webcam is turned on. In this manner, we can automate the webcam by using this smart motion detector via your home gateway. Similarly, so for another applications, for example, some street light. We are discussing about street light automation. Also, is by using this home gateway, and this is your SBC. That is SBC is nothing but your single board computer. Here the programming is this is your PY. That is a Python program by using the automatic home management by street light control by using your my Python program. Whenever here the starting blink, this one blinking here, start and stop, some blank blink Python program is stopped. Here run. If you click run, it start blinking. Okay, now we can check. Now you can check this your home gateway connected with this smart lamp. Now I move the car. Previous one, before I moving this one, the motion detector is off. That's a red color means motion detector is off. When you move to first lamp, automatically the motion sensor detected and light will glow. Similarly, I move with the second lamp. Automatically, you can see the lamp is off here. Okay, now this lamp is turned on. Similarly, for I move to third street lamp. Remaining two street lamps are get off. Then third one is gets on. Similarly for this one, this is called by using this programming single board computer by the use of home gateway. We can connect the smart lamps by using smart gateway. That is where wireless connectivity. This in sensor also you can connect. Click on that one. Also same procedures are there. You can see same procedures are there. If wireless connect home gateway, if you here no need of password, so that I am not giving any authentications here. Here also some physical menus are there. Here also you have to connect wireless network adapter here. Previous one is a net. If you want to connect it through wire that is connected to Ethernet cable means you can choose network adapter as Ethernet adapter. Here I am using here wireless network adapter. Okay. Then another application. By using block objectives. I think some motion detector is one. here when you if the motion is available, motion detector is sense the data, automatically alarm is available here. Here, click on MCU, that is a microcontroller unit. Here also specification tab and physical configuration programming tabs are there. Here I click choose programming tab. Here motion detector gives them JavaScript on this one. Here the JavaScript program we are using. Before previous one is Python. Now we are going to check with JavaScript for software. Here the first block is a setup function setup block. It is for pin assignment. That is your set the pin this one. And then next this is the function. There is a read the data from the device. That is a motion sensor. Then the third blocks it is used to do, display the output, that is called the digital rights display. If it is there is no motion available in PIR sensor, so it shows 00. If it is motion is captured by motion sensor means alarm is turned on, your display values 1023 refers your alarm is turned on. In this manner, this is your application. Next one is a blinking LED. Blinking LED using smart methods. Smart key methods. Here, click on MCU board. Here you can see the go to programming tab. Programming tab here. Click on programming tab here. Here there are already one JavaScript program is there. These were our blinking LED. That is we are using visual objects. That is blackly objects. Click on that. This is main dot visual. Here some options are available here. If you click on, this is the program for blinking LED. Here if you go for program, there are a lot of options are available. If you click program means there are functions are available here. That is pin mode function, pin access function. This is the first pin mode selection block is available from pin access block. Okay, then loop blocks. These are repeat and do. It's available from loop blocks. Okay, then delay is available from these are all in the pin access block. You can choose drag and drop the pin mode select. If my pin mode select 0, if it is 0 means input and 1 means output means, depending upon the device you can choose the blocks. Okay. Then networking also. So there are some more already predefined blocks are available here. You can drag and drop. You can make it as your convenient programming options are there. Okay. Then now I can choose this one. What is the pin mode select? Slot 0 is output. Print blinking after enabling the LED. Your blinking message will come. Repeat these are the program analog write and analog write. Read the inputs. Read the signals from this IoT pin through your MCU blocks. This is a program. This is an example for blinking LED using this microcontroller unit. Now run means you can see the message blinking, start blinking. Now you can see the screen. Okay, blinking is there. The smart blinking system. Blinking LED using the block objectives or visual objectives. Okay. Then next one. Some healthcare monitoring system. These are home IoT implementation. Here there are two more options are there. First one is physical option and logical option. There is some problem is there. Wait. Here these are all the devices connected with this one previous one. In PPT itself we are seeing lot of IoT sensors, devices and components are controlled through your SBC, that is a single port computer, and controlled with your microcontroller unit. It is depending upon the applications you can choose and control these your smartphone monitor you can control by using this one. Wait a minute, there is some problem in okay. Now we can see the activities of smart home network. Here single board computer connected with the wind sensor and wind detector, and also when it is move, you can see the motion sensor here. When your movement is detected here, smartphone will turn on. Similarly, for if I move the fire to this fire monitor, the fire sprinkler springs the water. In this manner, we can select some more applications are there. When I move the fire, it stops. Similarly, for smoke detector also there are a lot of applications are there. Here the same thing. One application is there. If it is a motion detected by motion detector, webcam is turned on. There's a lot of applications combined with this smart home network here. That is, if it is smoke is since by smoke detector, automatically it gives the alarm system. Based on that, it's also temperature and water level monitor system. There are a lot of applications combining together in a smart home. And the next one, AI enabled. That is a smart diabetic or monitoring healthcare system. Wait for some time. It takes some more time.
ఏంటిది చెప్పాల
Wait for some time. It will take some more time for respond. All right. For example, here AI enabled, that is artificially enabled ethical monitoring systems. It has, for example, it's a patient home. These were mobile patient treatment center. This is a cloud data storage devices, and this is a health monitoring center. This one, health monitoring center. These are all connecting together. Secured internet connection. That is our cloud-based server. When you click on that's patient home. In patient home, the lot of devices are tablet, end devices, tablet, smart TV, and the patient wearing smart watch to monitor the heartbeat level and all things. These are the glucose. Also here we are by using the smart watch. The patient also can analyze the glucose levels here. The next one, there is a mobile team center. Mobile team sensor also can view patient health condition through this tablet. Then this cloud data services. This cloud data services are connected with this one servers, a lot of dedicated servers, IoT servers. Here there's a health monitoring company also monitoring the patient conditions and also give some suggestions and also some authentications. Enter his home without any authentication. Here based on by using the patient tablet, we can go to this view. Here you can see the output of this patient conditions and all things. Then one more application called environmental modeling, environmental control. This is environmental control. This one, you can go to this environment button here. When you click on this one, environmental button, you can view the environmental conditions. That is the physical features, elevation, soil, and gravity, light and gases. What are the gases present in environment, and the temperature behavior, and water. What is the clouds humidity? What is the rain source? That wind directions, wind speed. Also, you can monitor through this one. Okay, now you click for edit here. You can see the ambient temperature. I want to check the temperature and the condition here. Here you can see at the time 12. What is the value of what is the ambient temperature value here? Once you click here, this one at time 6. What is the temperature? And in this manner, you can analyze the data. For example, what's gamma and what is the CO2 level? What is the hydrogen level? Also, you can analyze through this one, through this environmental condition application. Okay, based on that, you can analyze the graphs and all things. Then advanced option. You can do you can analyze the data with some selected values in the view modes. Advanced settings options are there by cloud-based data analytics can possible through this one. Now almost all the things we are discussed. Okay, sir. Any other? Let's close my session, sir.
Sir, doubt, sir. I have doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Sir, in IoT, we have to use for the Arduino board. So without Arduino board, we can use for in Cisco packet tracer, sir.
Yes. By using, there is some two options are available. Say MCU board and this one SBC board. By using that, you can program.
Okay, sir.
For example, Arduino board. You have one Arduino IDE software is there. You can connect via USB cable through your PC. You can write the embedded C program, then flash the program to your chip. Then it executes. It executes applications. Whereas a Cisco packet tracer simulator, directly you can go to the programming mode, click on MCU or SBC. That is MCU is nothing but microcontroller unit, nothing but is a single microcontroller. That is your Arduino board. Then SBC, single board computer unit. This one, nothing but your Raspberry Pi. There are also some programming options are there. There are 3 more options are available here by using JavaScript, by using Python, by using this Blockly Visual Objects. You can use this one. Or whereas if you go for Arduino IDE, only you have to type the program for specific applications only for using embedded C. Without, there is some need of programming knowledge. Without programming knowledge, you can able to create by using these visual objects. Now, last is the blinking LED examples we are discussed now. By using this one, we can without programming knowledge, we can implement.
Sir, and then one more doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to connect it for a home gateway to motion sensor and then camera, web camera? So can you tell once again, sir?
1 second now.
Yes, sir. Why? Because means we are going very fast now. We can't follow that thing. So once again, you tell means we can easily to understand.
Okay, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Now, what is your doubt is we have to connect
motion to home gateway, camera to home gateway.
This is your home gateway. And next one,
motion camera.
Okay,
yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to connect these two only. Okay, right? First, you have to configure your home gateway. In home gateway, if you click on home gateway, this window will come, right? Then
yes, sir.
Now you check with your Ethernet port. Previously, Ethernet port is available here. Able to see?
Yes,
can you able to see? Now I want to connect wirelessly. So I go to configure block. Okay, now configure block. Click LAN. You have to give some LAN address, IP address. Then 192.168.25.1 is IP address. And then click wireless. You have to set the connectivity, set the wireless connection. So you click on wireless. Give the SSID. You see the SSID.
Okay, sir.
Home gateway. And if you want to give authentication, means I will give authentication with some passphrase. IoT. Our password is Cisco.
Okay, sir.
Cisco IoT. Cisco IoT, right? Cisco IoT. Now you close. Cisco IoT. Then click on IoT webcam.
Okay, sir.
Click on webcam. Here, go to advanced menu, physical menu. You see, this is your Ethernet port is there. Here,
yes, sir.
So you have to. I want to check. I want to get the wireless network adapter. For that, click advanced here.
Yes, sir.
Go to input and output configuration here.
Yes,
then you select the network adapter. The fourth
yes,
one, this one. Now
okay,
you see
sir.
your physical view is wireless adapter with on condition. Now
yes, sir.
go to configuration menu. You can change the rename as web camera and all things you wish. This one. Now
okay, sir.
you select with this home gateway. You select if you in place of home gateway, you connect with the remote server, means you select remote server, right?
Okay, sir.
Now
okay, sir.
click wireless. Now you check the SSID is same with the same name, SSID home gateway. Now I
yes, sir.
give the authentication, Cisco IoT. Now the DHCP IP configuration is a dynamic host configuration protocol. It automatically assign the IP address, right?
Okay, sir.
Now see the connection between home gateway and here possible you are seeing this
yes,
one.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The same way for motion detector also.
Okay, sir. Sir, and then one more question, sir. So you did for first application, no? That is for basic, or it is can be mentioned anything application?
First application is smart network, smart home
Smart
network.
network.
These are the combination. These are the for many application combined together. I am
Okay,
creating a smart worker. For example, this is for
sir, actually, I know for that I'm the CCNA trainer for students.
okay.
So for that only I'm asking, sir.
Okay, no problem. But for all the three examples, sir. For example, blinking LED, fire alarms, and this one
Okay,
webcam
sir.
automation, all are combined together. I'm making us a smart home network. Then the second
So-
one is a diabetic health monitoring system. Nowadays we are not going with any hospital and all things by using the smart sensors. That is a AI artificial intelligence based sensors. We can able to send and receive the data from mobile patient treatment center. For that only I am giving this demo. The last one, we can see the environmental condition, see the monitor, monitor and control the environmental IoT sensors. These are third examples.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you share the PPT, sir, for your PPT?
Okay, sure.
So thank you.
Coordinator will send it.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
This is Balaji. I am unable to download this software, sir. You are given in the email.
No, sir. First do one thing, sir. First you go Google search Net Acad, sir. Net Academy. You type the word Net Acad, NETACAD, Net Acad. Then by using your Gmail or create one more user with Cisco Academy, sir.
Okay, sir.
You can sign up and register a new user, and if within the new user option you can go with one page is there. That I am learning option is there. In this I am learning object, the Cisco packet tracer, that network Cisco Network Academy giving 10 hours free course, sir.
Okay.
10 hours free
Yeah,
course.
it is asking 10 hours course.
10 hours course is asking. You can enroll that. Then afterwards you can access to download the
Okay.
several
Which
versions
version?
are there. 7.3. That is after 7. The IoT sensors are IoT components and
Okay, for
devices are
64 bit or 32 bit. Okay.
Okay, but depending upon your operating system, 32 bit or 64 bit.
Yeah.
Also,
Yes, sir.
Android and iOS based software also available here. Available there.
Yeah. For an iPad is also available. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Unless we don't go through this 10 hours course, it will not be downloaded.
Yes, sir. Once you have to register, sir. Enroll. This is a free only, sir. That's why you can enroll, sir. Also, a lot of information available, sir. There and 10 hours you can learn a lot, sir.
It's a very wonderful session, sir. I'm really happy with your hands-on training with the webinar. It's wonderful.
Thank you,
definitely will practice, and if at all if we have any doubts, I will definitely put an email. Okay, thank you, sir. Please kindly assist us, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Any questions from participants? Javed, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
So shall I close the session, sir? Or any other
questions?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts, sir? There, participants, please, you can type in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic and ask the questions. Sir, in which cloud total data stored? Does it stored in ThinkSport or a Cisco Packet Tracer? Has separate cloud.
Separate cloud. Separate cloud also you can do, but we can assign. We can choose the clouds with whatever we are convenient, sir. There are so much cloud-based platforms are available. We can store the data using some other. Also, Cisco also use this some other platforms, sir.
The connecting devices through which link? Through which link the connecting devices will be there?
Which link means, sir, wired or wireless, sir? There are two options are there. Through wide means you can use Ethernet cable. It's a wide communication. If it is remotely you can connect it, means using wireless connection. So some more options are there.
Connect to Arduino. How to connect to Arduino?
Here like Arduino, here there are two more options are there already. We discussed in this session. That is your MCU board. This MCU board and this is your SBC board. Using this board, you can able to program and program to any IoT devices and components are there. This one.
So tutorial available, the link where we have shared to download the software, that in that website only the tutorial is also available, na sir? I think so.
Yes sir, yes sir. We here some, if you go for Net Academy, that is a Cisco Net Academy website, they are giving 10 hours lectures free sir. Cisco, it is introduction to Cisco packet tracer, what are the possibilities, what are the new version, what are the things available, all the things are they are giving us lectures sir.
Okay. I think there are no any other questions. Participants, can you, if any questions, you can ask.
Sir, one more question is there, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I click the smartphone, hello, sir.
Sir, hearing.
Sir, sir, how to write the condition for
how to write the
smartphone, sir? Conditions. Hello.
Yes, I'm hearing only.
Sir, when I came for the desktop now,
yes.
So in that desktop, I selected for the IoT monitor.
Okay.
So after selecting the IoT monitor, they have to show you the two devices.
Yes.
So what are that now?
What are the devices connected? It shows.
Yes,
right?
yes, the camera and then motions.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I want to write the condition for the camera. What can I do, sir, now?
Okay. Now you go to desktop.
Yes,
if we click on IoT monitor option is there na? In smartphone, go to desktop and IoT monitor option is there na? What is the server address you are given? What server address? You can able to see the screen.
Sir, the same server address.
Wait.
192.
The same sir 192. Give the username and login. Admin. You click login.
Yes, sir.
After that, you can get the because here also I am not assigning here. Here also I am not giving assignment. For example, if you collect through wirelessly through smartphone and home gateway,
yes, sir.
You can go to desktop and IoT monitor means it asks IP address and username and password. You click login means you will get one more screen here. What are the devices connected here? Then there are 4 tabs are there in condition home tab and condition tab and edit and logout tab is there. In condition tab, if you click condition tab, there is some option is there, match all or any, and then set to option is there. Based on that, your connection device, that is you are rename some devices now. For example, webcam means IoT 1 means you have to rename as webcam. In the drop down list, the webcam and motion detector is available. You choose whatever your condition you can apply. Then after that you can run. The IoT monitor shows the result.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sir.
Right, sir. I think. Sir, right. I think the participants have learned a lot, sir. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us, sir.
Thank you, sir. Also, I thanks our Dattha Institute and Institute's chief patrons, Pondarangareddy and Vibaruti, and patron our director and principal, sir. And convener Dr. M. Sendil Kumar sir and you coordinator. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure,
Thank you all, sir. Thank you all.
Design software, drawing and design software.
Dear participants, I am sharing the link, feedback link now in the chat box. So I've just shared now, so you can go through the link. And regarding the certifications, please be patient. we will provide all the certificates by Monday to all the participants. Those who are active participants, definitely we will share by Monday. It takes some time to process all the certificates. Only today or tomorrow, all the participants will not receive the certificates. So few participants will receive today, few participants will receive tomorrow, and like that by Monday we will send certificates to all the participants. So please be patient. Please don't send any messages in the WhatsApp group. We didn't receive the certificates. We didn't receive the certificates. Definitely you will receive the certificates. Please don't mind. If by Monday, if you don't receive, then itself you please contact us. By Monday, definitely we will send you the certificates. So I would like to thank Shivkumar sir, Dr. Shivkumar sir once again, and all the participants. And we will definitely send you the PPT and the recorded video.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you,
sir. Let's close the session. End the session.
Okay, thank you very much.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.